Who's this?
I mean, Stormtrooper.
Who's this?
I mean,
Dark Trooper.
Dark Trooper.
Bark Trooper.
Fire Trooper.
Who's this?
CPO.
Nice job, buddy.
Who's this?
I mean, I don't know.
Is he Yoda?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah?
No. Hey, Loki. Who's
What?
this?
I mean, Stormtrooper.
Snow Trooper.
Snow Trooper.
Who's this?
I mean,
Jedi Girl.
Jedi Girl.
Who's this?
I mean, Luke Skywalker.
Who's this?
I mean,
Oscar Vader.
Where's Han Solo?
I mean,
Loki, what is this? Loki, what is this?
a jet.
And who's driving the jet?
Who's this?
Han Solo.
Nice job, buddy. You're doing pretty good with your Star Wars guys.
Who's this?
I mean, Obi-Kenobi.
Obi-Kadobi.
Who's this?
I mean, a lightsaber.
Mm-hmm.
That's Qui-Gon Jinn lightsaber.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anybody else? Who's this, buddy?
I mean, R2-D2.
Who is?
Well, you did really good. Nice job.
Yes.
Where's? Can you find Darth Vader in there? Where's Darth Vader, Logan?
Oh, Loki, who's this?
Clone Trooper.